Hi guys, rachaelcprhair here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you were able to join me today. I have a video today that was a request from Aisha, and this is for the best hair combinations that I have from the 2021 year. And I compiled 4 different categories of products that I use. She wanted combinations. I'm going to tell you combinations, treatments, everything that I really feel stood out for me last year. And I'm going to go right into this because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the thing that made the biggest difference for me, and that would be the bowl treatment. You remember this pink bowl, don't you? This is the pink bowl that I got when I started doing the bowl treatment. I started off with a clear one, and then I went to this one, and I am using the very same bowl from the dollar store for my bowl treatment. And I use this with just a small cup, the very same color, and I rinse my conditioner through in this bowl, and that has made a world of difference in my hair. I can't even say that after going to this method that I think it's all about product. Of course, product is going to have a lot to do with it because ingredients are key, but using that product to the best and to the fullest extent is going to be an even bigger part of it. Because if you have a wonderful product that you're just rinsing through your hair, you're not getting the full impact of it. Whereas if you are taking it and bathing your hair in it, of course you're going to get double duty. And so this has definitely been my favorite thing for the entire year of 2021 as far as me keeping up with the health of my hair. Again, this is key. This bowl method is absolutely key. And I know a lot of you have told me that you've tried it and you really, really like it. And I'm telling you, if you haven't tried it, just give it a try. You don't need anything fancy. You can just take even your plastic cap. I think someone mentioned that in comments like a while back. Just taking your plastic cap, keeping your hair filled with water, and just squishing it around. Just squishing, squish, squish, squish. That's the squish to condition, but it's basically the same method. So you're just bathing your hair in that really juicy product-filled water that's giving you all the nourishment that it needs. So yes, this is my #1 thing that I would not go without. Next, I'm going to go to my shampoos and conditioners, and I have a few of them. I was not stocked on products for the year of 2021. As I went through products in 2020, I was not overstocking my products anymore. What I did was I used up all of my product, and then I just started purchasing what I could use for a certain period of time, and not overstocking them because I didn't want to use old product. And so what I have here is basically what I've used through the year, and then I have a couple of things that I ran out of and I don't have now that I'll explain to you. And so I'll just mention those to you as we get to the categories. So shampoo and conditioner, I think the #1 product that I used for the entire year was the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Manuka Honey and Yogurt combo. I went through maybe 5 of these sets, not the shampoo. I went through 3 of the shampoos and 5 of the conditioners. Shea Moisture is very popular, but they have lots and lots of lines. This product line right here I really love because it's just very lightweight on the hair, and it does not overhydrate my hair. Considering that I shampoo and condition so often and use the bowl method, this right here doesn't overhydrate my hair. For a little while with using the bowl method, I had to stop using it with each shampoo, and I had to go to just my treatments using the bowl method because my hair started getting mushy. But I found that using these products, it didn't make my hair mushy. It just made it hydrated just enough. So I really like them. Moving on to Garnier, the heavy hitter that I use and repurchase and purchase and repurchase and purchase and repurchase. This is the Garnier Pure and Clean with aloe extract. I absolutely love this line. This is a really, really good line. It is very inexpensive, and the shampoo lasts forever. And then the conditioner, I have this one. I have one upstairs, and then I have a spray bottle filled with water and this conditioner because we're a hairy family. Very hairy family. With the exception of my husband, everyone has a lot of hair, and so we go through a lot of these products. And really, my son gets really funny about the smell of things, but this right here, he feels okay with the smell of it. He said it doesn't smell feminine, but it does smell really, really good. And it's strong. So if you don't like a strong fragrance in your hair that will stay, this is not for you because this fragrance is strong. The last shampoo and conditioner are actually DIY products. This is the Indian Healing Clay, Bentonite clay that I used. I used this in one of my last videos. I used this as a treatment to really clean off all of the buildup on my hair. And I used a banana conditioner, and I will link that video either in the cards or down in the description box, because this treatment, you don't have to do it often, but it is definitely a wonderful thing to do. Every time I do my treatment of my banana after using my bentonite clay to clean my hair, I always say that's what my hair needed. My hair needed to be refreshed, because then my hair is just so much better afterward every single time. And it's because of this product here. And I will say my skin feels the same way. Whenever I start having a whole bunch of problems with my skin, I realize I haven't done my bentonite clay on my face in far too long, and then this right here always fixes it. So that's just a little something that I will say I cannot do without this natural treatment that I use in my hair. The next product I wanted to talk to you about is a product that I do not have because it's so hard for me to find it in store, and it is the Kinky Curly Knot Today. I go to Whole Foods does have it a lot of the times, but whenever I find it, it's usually in Whole Foods, but then Target has it as well. It is a leave-in conditioner. I use it as a styler, so I have it listed with my stylers because it is such a wonderful styler. It is the perfect summertime styler. You put it through your hair, let your hair dry. It gives it a little bit of hold, but then it really makes your curls pop, and so I love that conditioner. I just wish it was easier for me to get it. Whenever I go looking for it, it's almost always sold out. And then I think the last time I ordered it in a bundle of two, I think it was. I think I ordered 2 of them. That was the max that I could order in the bundle, and that's fine, but I just like to go in store and buy things. That's just the way I am. There's nothing wrong with ordering online, because I do order online. Okay, next we're going to go to Maui Moisture. The Maui Moisture Milk I absolutely love. This was a product that I had to order online. Obviously, this is not the packaging that it comes in. The last time I ordered it, again, I had a bundle of 2 of them. But when I ordered it, one of them came and the top had some kind of problem, and so it wasn't pumping out. And so I just switched it over to this bottle that I had to just be able to still use it, because it's so hard to find this product. And as of late, this product has gone up in price a lot. I don't know why it's so difficult for me to get it. The way I found out about it was through my curl box. I received it in a Maui Moisture curl box, and since then I've never seen it in store. And then when I order it online, it's always an issue because it's very expensive. When I went to check for it the last time, I paid, when I bought these right here, it was about $16 for 2. When I went to check the last time, it was $35. And I don't know if that was for 2. I don't know if it was for 2 or for 1. But anyway, the price went up a lot, okay? Oh, next we have the Garnier Fructis Pure and Clean Hair Gel. This is not the packaging it comes in. It comes in this package right here, but I actually diluted mine and put it into this pump bottle, and that is what I have in my hair today. I love that gel so much. That is my favorite gel of the entire year, and continuing on so far for this year, that gel is my favorite. It is so inexpensive. It's so clean and lightweight on the hair. My hair doesn't take forever to dry when I use it. I just needed to be able to use the product and not weigh my hair down. And so I thought about it, and I just said, in the Curly Girl Handbook, Lorraine Massey's book, she talks about making spray gel by simply heating your water and putting your favorite gel into it and just diluting it. And so that's what I did. I did it with that that gel, and I put it into this Bath and Body Works soap dispenser. And I usually keep these because if I want to change out the color scheme in my bathroom, I'll usually just pull out one of these and just refill it. And this, I put the gel in here, and so it's not necessarily a foam as much as it's foamy. See there? So it's really runny, but it's It makes it so that I can really put it in through my hair and not weigh my hair down, because if you use this gel, which a lot of you told me that you use this gel, it really weighs your hair down. But I like for my hair to be big like this because I have a big head, big face, big head, big everything, and so I like to have hair that is big. But if the gel holds it down too much, then it just doesn't come out to be my favorite, and so I like to dilute it. And I will definitely do a video showing you how I dilute this and how I apply it to my hair. My last item is my Dyson hair dryer. I get questions about this all the time. People want to know if I still like it, if I still use it, do I think it's worth it? I will say this dryer I love. I can't tell you that I don't love this dryer. Do I think you need to spend so much on a heating tool when you only use your dryer every once in a while? No, I don't think so. I think you should just invest more into a really good heat protectant spray. This is a very good tool. I will not tell you that it's not. I love my Dyson, but it is more, in my opinion, it is more for someone who uses their heating tools on a regular basis. I do use my heating tools on a regular basis, so that's the avenue that I'm coming from to you. When I use this dryer, I love that, number one, the new technology inside of the motor in this thing makes it so that I can use the lowest setting and still get the same results that I want with it. But if you use your hair dryer all the time, I do really like it because it is just so easy on the hair. The new technology in here is definitely, it's a big thing. It's a really big thing. It's quiet. It's not so hot on the hair. It adjusts, the temperature adjusts as you're going so that you're not overheating your hair. It's just a really good product and I really like it. So that was all of my standout products for the year 2021. Thank you so much for requesting this video, Maisha. This was a great idea. I'm really happy that you did request it because this was so fun to do and to review all of the things that stood out to me in the year of 2021. Please let me know below if any of you have any products that were standout products for you. I would love to read about them in the comments. We can all get a little something different to try, and I look forward to reading those comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon, guys. Bye.